Good morning, beautiful souls. Happy Monday. I hope that you are finding your day to be restorative and renewed. I wanted to take a few moments with you to just show gratitude for where we are in our lives and the fact that every day is still a new day for us to begin again and to take control and change our perspectives. Taking a deep breath in, exhaling it out. Sitting with intention and gratitude, finding gratitude in all that you do. I'm thankful for my voice and the ability for me to speak my truth. I'm thankful for my creativity and the power that it holds. I'm thankful for my connection to my divine self, for leading me in all aspects. I'm thankful for the love that I pour into myself daily. Breathing in for all these things. Exhale, releasing. Feeling connected to self once again. Thank you. Peace, love, and blessings. Have a beautiful day.